I have a big problem here. I have to make these things all come together, glue together, stay together, and everything else is built on the hull of the tank. And yet all they've got is this little bitty line here that's going to hold everything together. So I've been afraid of that. We're not going to be afraid of that anymore. By hook or by crook, we're going to get it done today. So the first thing I'm going to try to do, first thing we need to do, looks like is take our glasses off. We can actually see better with our glasses off at this distance. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we have our parts lined up correctly. So this guy goes here, and I've already figured out he goes to the second notch. There's the 2 notches here. I don't know why there's 2 notches. There's 2 notches here. He goes to the second notch. He lines up like that. So all I want to do today for this video is to glue along here for this side, and I think that's it. Then I want that to dry, and then we will come back tomorrow and glue along this side. Come back the next day, and then we will work on putting the glue on these and the glue on these. I think this is probably the easiest part right here, is to put the glue on this. It's a long line. The problem is the glue I have here is it's an extra thin cement, so it's not like the normal glue, which I wish I had, because the normal glue I could put in a nice thick line, let it dry, no problem. But this is not. It might dry faster than I can put this piece here. That's a problem. So how do we combat that problem? I'm not sure yet. But I think we're going to have to put it on here, put it together. I might even tape it. Haven't decided yet. You see, I've cut out some cardboards to give it so that it doesn't wiggle around too much. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to do tape. See, I can hold it like this, would be okay, right? And then tape it together. Looks like it. So what we will do, there, we'll put a piece of tape on the bottom. When we put it on, then we'll put that tape up there so it doesn't move. Alright, next step. I would rather do this on the table than the paper. Remember, this is stuff you don't want to breathe in, so if you can, open up your windows when you're doing this. I'm just going to try not to breathe too much of it in. And here we go. I don't think I can be fast enough. Put the tape there. We're going to hold it for a few seconds and see if that'll work. (1001), 1002. We'll put this back on all the way. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right. Put the tape there. Put this up against there so it doesn't move. That's it. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll do this side. Now, we also made a styrofoam block here to put inside. I was thinking maybe I would need to use that, but that's also a possibility. It's a filler on the inside, so you can put these two things together. My concern is when I'm putting these other parts on that this isn't going to be strong enough structurally, and it might go like that. I don't know. I haven't built tanks for years. So, all right, we're back. We've let it set for a day. We'll do the second side now. I got lost. See, this is even this is in an angle. When we put these mounts in, hopefully that'll fix that without breaking it. Yep, this should hold it in good like that. Alright. Make sure it's off the paper. I don't mind having glue on the table. I bought this table specifically for my hobbies. So I suppose you could call it a hobby table. Hold this in place for a couple minutes. Alright, I'll leave it at that. Come back tomorrow.